Come to a comfortable cross-legged position and rest your hands on your knees, closing your eyes. Take a nice deep inhale through your nose and exhale, sigh, and release out your mouth. Open your eyes and inhale, roll your shoulders up toward your ears. And exhale, roll them back, realigning. Inhale, shrug the shoulders up. And exhale, release. One more here. Inhale, roll. And exhale, release. And then just switch directions. Inhale, shrug the shoulders up. And exhale, release as they come forward. Inhale up. Exhale, release. Last one. Inhale up. And exhale, release. Take an inhale breath. And exhale, drop your head over toward your left shoulder, softening your shoulders down and away from your ears. You can keep your right hand on your knee or extend your right fingertips toward the earth, feeling the stretch through the right side of your neck. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, drop your head over toward your right shoulder. Soften the shoulders down and away from your ears. You can keep your left hand to your left knee or extend your fingers toward the earth, feeling the stretch through the left side of your neck. Inhale, come back to center. And exhale, gently drop your chin toward your chest. Again, keep pressing your shoulders down and away from your ears. Keep your spine nice and long. Feel the stretch through the back of your neck. And then you'll begin to take little half circles. As you inhale, drop your head toward one shoulder. Exhale, slowly tuck your chin in toward your chest as you make your way to the opposite shoulder. Exhale through center. Just flow here with your own breath, nice and slow. Gently come back to center. Keep sitting up tall. Take an inhale breath. And exhale, just gaze over your left shoulder. Keep your body facing forward. The only thing moving is your head. Inhale back to center. Exhale, gaze over your right shoulder again. Simply moving the head. Inhale back to center. Take an exhale breath. And then inhale, reach your arms up. And exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste.